astronavti misije Artemis 2 že plujejo po odprtem vesolju.
Sinoči so namreč uspešno zagnali še dodatne motorje, s katerimi je njihovo plovilo zapustilo še Zemljino orbito in se odpravilo na dolgo pot proti Luni.
For the first time since 1972, during Apollo 17, human beings have left Earth orbit. We've had a series of checkouts since launch, and again, everything really performing pretty well. And we are on the path that we designed for this mission.
Visoka tehnologija torej ni zatajila, astronavti so imeli nekaj manjših težav, ki jih imamo sicer tudi na Zemlji.
Ja, recimo z ogrevanjem se pa je izkazalo, da je v vesolju očitno lažje dobiti vodovodarja kot v Sloveniji. Več pa Janez Husenik.
Izdelati raketo, ki nas ponese do Lune, gre. Zagotoviti dovolj kisika za bivanje v vesolju, ni problema. Kljubovati vplivu breztežnosti, otročja igra, pravijo v nasi.
They did an exercise test of the flywheel. That was successful. Reed reported that it was exactly like training. His arms are really tired.
Astronauti so imeli drugačne težave. Težave s straniščem so z Zemlje videti zabavno.
Would you say this was a number one priority or a number two?
V vesolju pa bi to lahko bilo, velika težava. No, 3-krat lahko gibate, kdo je stvar rešil. Ženska na krovu.
I'm proud to call myself the space plumber. I like to say that it is probably the most important piece of equipment on board, so we were all breathing a sigh of relief when it turned out to be just fine.
Baje so le premalo odprli vodo. No, malo jih je tudi zeblo, pa ne zaradi dragega kurilnega olja.
Houston's been working with us to change fan speeds and temperature set points, and we've actually been able to warm it up a lot better.
Topli in čisti tako nadaljujejo pot proti Luni. A brez šale, hrabra četverica je na zgodovinski poti.
I really like it up here. I wish I could have got here sooner. It's just such a tremendous place to be. The views are extraordinary.
Tole je nekaj, kar je videlo zelo malo ljudi. Zemljin krajec.
You could see the entire globe from pole to pole. You could see Africa, Europe, and if you looked really close, you could see the northern lights.
In kaj z neba sporočajo Zemljanom?
Trust us, you look amazing. You look beautiful. And from up here, you also look like one thing. You know, Homo sapiens is all of us, no matter where you're from or you know, what you look like. We're all one people.
Kar pa je resnica, ki jo redko vidimo, ko smo pri tleh.